Still scrolling through rows to find what you need? Stop right there, let Excel find it for you. Today, I'll show you how to create a dynamic search bar in Excel, using the filter function. Fast, clean, and super easy. Okay, let's dive right into it. Here I've got a simple employee list: name, department, and salary. To make things work smoothly, press Ctrl T to turn it into an Excel table. Make sure my table has headers is checked, and hit OK. That makes the data dynamic, so new rows will auto-update when you filter. Now, it's time to create a search box. Pick a blank cell where you want your search bar to be. Type a heading like search. Format it nicely: bold, center, add a border, and background to make it stand out. Click the cell where you want your filtered results to appear, and type =filter. Now, select your entire dataset. To do that quickly, press Ctrl+Shift+right arrow to select all columns, then Ctrl+Shift+down arrow to include all rows. Next, add the isNumber function. It converts the search results into true or false values. Inside it, type search F2. Select the department cells. This checks whether the search term in cell F2 appears anywhere in the department column. Finally, add no result at the end. This will display that message if nothing matches. Close the parentheses. Press enter and boom! Your dynamic search bar is live and ready to use. Now, let's test it out. Type just a few letters into your search box and watch the magic happen. Excel instantly filters your data. No buttons, no menus, completely automatic. Want to take it a step further? You can make it search by name too. Just tweak your formula a bit. Now it searches both columns at once. And that's how you build a fully dynamic search bar in Excel. No VBA, no macros, just smart formulas. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more time-saving Excel tricks.